Yeah, 100% talent Jamaica. You big up all of the judges, them, you know? Like I'm reading. Yeah, so for the ladies, you know? Yeah, all right. Race. All right. Hey, Amanda, come link me when me under me ganja. Hey, girl, come me sit down on the planka. I make me drive it in you just like a tanker. I make me sink it in your belly like a anchor. Me better never get no touch like this one, yeah. This a lolly, a cure corona and cancer. You know ki call girl, me lolly answer. I better when me done touch, I go say me a them. Everywhere me go, the girls love way. Gala Rivale and Gala TJ. Gala England say them want know me. And I say them want know who near my bay. And everywhere me go, the girls want way. They want a man from the Brandish family. If another ya at the one my K, I'm a Portmore girls now leave out me. Come make you touch panty dress up on the floor. Wine off it, me no want it no more. Broke off, and me bring up on tour. Hey, girl, me a go make you nookie sore. Me touch you one time, you have to come back for more. Hey, me nah boast, but baby, me sure. Come make you do it in the plane, in the ear. Come make you do it in your grandmother chair. Everywhere me go, me say the girls love way. Gala Rivale, young Gala TJ. Gala England say them want know me. And I say them want know who near my pay. And everywhere me go, the girls want way. They want a man from the Brandish family. If another ya at the one my K, I make race. Step in a red shoes, gyal move them bottom. And I tell me cleaner than Beckham. Pants well tight, gyal shout out Stefan. And I say me at the poor race.
Alright, big up Hypa that place. Me I'm telling you, go hard with that song. The stand up writers of Kisha Las Vegas. Yo, what you think about the artist? Kisha, Jesus Christ, you might go hard. And what go on? You be excited?
They say that there's a place for everything and a time for everything.
Take down the beat.
Alright, so basically he's expressing one of the songs because many of the artists before, they spoke of, you know, what's going on in the community, the strife, the struggles and that kind of stuff. And he's saying, look, you know, I still want to have fun with my woman. I'm not busy what I'm going right now. And I kind of like it, but he has to also consider the fact that moving forward, lots of ears are opening and we have many ears, Jamaica and abroad, and you want to factor that when you choose your songs.
All right, thank you, Kisha, Las Vegas. Nero, what do you think about Hypa?
All right, so for me, working with corporate media company for 15 years, I know say, them have a line where say, you better lose yourself in this music the moment you want it. You better never let it go because you only have one chance. Do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, my G. So they come to a competition, especially something where I stream. You want to come out at your best. So that song the way you sing, good song. Very, very good song.
Trust me.
Context is my subconscious at work, you know. So while you have bleep, me I replace. You understand? So, I'm going to spare you for that one. I want to see you in the next one. I want to see you in the next one. So, I'm going to put him in the next one to see him come in. Because I know I have a better song, you know. I know I have a better song than that. But context, my fam. Yeah.
All right, so you heard from Nero and Kisha, Las Vegas. Hey, big up yourself, Hypa.